Now let us discuss about union operation in relational algebra. Union operator is called as binary operator. Binary operator. Binary means two. Union operator will be performed on two tables, two relations. So that's why we can call union operator as binary operator. Whereas project operator and select operator is called as unary operator. Why? Because in order to perform project operation or select operation, we require only one relation or one table. But here, in order to perform union operation, we require two relations or two tables. So that's why union operator is called as binary operator. So we know what is union. Union means combination of both the sets. So combination of both the tables. Union operator will gives all the rows present in the two tables. If the tables contains some duplicate rows, then those duplicate rows will get removed and only one row will get displayed. Okay. Now let us see the symbol. For union operation we use U symbol. So U for union operation. In order to perform the union operation, we must satisfy two conditions. If these two conditions are satisfied, then only we can apply union operation on two tables. The first condition is both the tables must contain same number of columns. So the first condition is both tables. In relational algebra, tables can also be called as relations. Both tables must have same number of columns. Here we have an example. Here we have two tables, student table and employee table. Student table contains two columns. Employee table also contains two columns. And the second condition is every column must have same domain. Every column must have same domain in both the relations. If you take these two relations, here the first column is rule number. Rule number accepts some numbers. In this table, the first column is employee number. Employee number also accepts some numbers, integers. So here the first column of two tables must have the same domain, that is integer. If we consider the second column, name, it accepts some characters. Here also the second column is name. It also accepts some characters. So we can say that the second column of both the relations have the same domain called the character. If these two conditions are satisfied, then only we can apply the union operation. Okay. Here, if we take this example, here these two conditions are satisfied. The first condition is both the tables must have same number of columns. So student table and employee table have two columns. And the second condition is every column must have the same domain. So first column have the integer domain. Second column have the character domain. So now we can apply the union operation. Let us apply union operation on this student and employee relationship. If we apply union operation on student and employee, then a new table will be generated. Where the attributes are nothing but here if we take first table, that is left hand side table, the attributes are roll number and name. Whereas if you take employee table, the attributes are employee number and employee name. So here the attribute of the first table first column and the second table first column is different. In that occasion we have to consider only the left one, that is first table attributes. So what are the first table attributes? Rule number, name. So rule number and name will be considered. Why? Because this is the first table. So what is the first row here? 70A. So 70A will get displayed. Next to second row, 71B. So this will be displayed. Next third row, 72C. Next to fourth row, 73D. Next fifth row, 72C. But 72C is already displayed. So union means if there are any duplicate rows, then those duplicate rows will be deleted and only one unique row will be displayed. So already 72C already got displayed. So 72C won't be displayed one more time. So the next row is 74E. So we don't have 74E. And the last row is 75F. So this is the new table which is generated by union of student and the employee. Okay. Now let us take one more example. So here our target is find names of student and employee table. So we have to find names of student table as well as employee table. So in student table we have 4 names. In employee table we have 3 names. So we need to display names. So for that we have to write the query. Here we are displaying a specified column. In order to display a column, we know that we have to use the project operation. Whereas select operation is useful in order to display the rows. Project for displaying the columns. Here we are displaying only name. So we need to use the project operation by name of, we have to display from the student relation, and we need to display from employee relation also. So we have to use union operation, use symbol next to pi. So name of employee. So then what is the output? So we will get name. So in first table name, what are the names? A, B, C, D. So no duplicate. In the second table names C, E, F. No duplicates. So C, E, F. So we will get this as the output. So this is about union operation in relational algebra. So this is about union operation in relational algebra.